So this is how to avoid the manual adjusting of the rows and the column, because at all, if you have a lot of data and that translates to so many rows and columns, it would be possible for us to do the manual adjustment. So to do this one in a few seconds, what you're supposed to do, you press Ctrl A to select the table that you have, or rather the data that you have, or alternatively, you can click above the one that are on the left corner. Then, so this is Ctrl A. Then after that, you click Alt, H, or I. So we have Alt, H, O, I. Now, before I click the I, you can see the effect that will take place. There is a row height, column width. Then we have visibility organized in the sheet. Then we have the protect sheet, log cells, and the format cell. So after I click the I, you will find that the column will automatically be adjusted to fit the data that we have. So those are the steps that you take if at all you want now to take the shortest time possible to adjust your column. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.